Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies without flour. We'll explore simple methods to create delicious treats without traditional wheat flour. You'll discover how easy it is to adapt your favorite cookie recipes or try new ones using common pantry staples. Get ready to bake some amazing cookies that are naturally gluten-free and full of flavor. This guide will help you master the art of flourless baking. When baking without flour, you have several excellent alternatives. Almond flour is a popular choice, offering a delicate texture and a subtle sweetness. Peanut butter is another fantastic option, providing both structure and a rich, satisfying taste. You can also use oat flour, made from finely ground oats, for a hearty and wholesome cookie. Each substitute brings unique qualities to your baked goods. Beyond your chosen flour substitute, a few key ingredients are essential. Eggs provide structure and moisture, holding everything together beautifully. Sweeteners, such as granulated sugar or brown sugar, contribute to both taste and texture, ensuring your cookies are perfectly sweet. Don't forget a leavening agent like baking soda or powder to give your cookies that desirable lift and chewiness. Mixing these carefully ensures a great result. For the best flourless cookies, remember a few crucial tips. Chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes helps prevent excessive spreading during baking, ensuring perfectly shaped treats. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Once your delicious cookies are ready, you might have a few crumbs. For an effortless cleanup, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.